Hello, my dear students. Now continue next problem. So, little application question, students. Please concentrate. Now here, the force exerted on object is described. Force is given, students. F equal to F naught into x by a minus 1. Okay. Where F naught a are constants. Work done in moving the object from x equal to 0 to x equal to 3a. Work done by variable force. Very important, students. Work done by variable force W equal to integration f into dx. Yes. Now work done by variable force integration, just values. Integration f is nothing but f naught into x by a into dx minus integration f naught into dx, limits from 0 to 3a, limits from 0 to 3a given in the question. Now f naught by a constants given in the question. So w equal to f naught by a is constant. Integration x dx, you know very well, x square by 2, limits from 0 to 3a minus f naught is constant here. Integration dx is x, limits from 0 to 3a. Then after, students, substitute limits in place of x. Now work done w equal to f naught by 2a, these two separate. So now x square is nothing but 9a square, 9a square minus 0 minus f naught into x is nothing but 3a, 3a minus 0, that means 3a only. Yes. Now here 1a, a is cancelled, students. Work done w equal to 9 by 2 f naught into a minus 3 f naught into a. Normal easy simplification, students. 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5 into f naught into a minus 3 f naught into a. So now here difference 4.5 minus 3 is nothing but 1.5, but 1.5 directly not given. 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into f naught into a. So this is given first option. Very important. Work done by variable force related questions. I think it's clear. Next question, students. Mass of 1 kg is moving on circular path of radius is 1 meter at 30 revolutions per minute. Frequency 30 revolutions per minute given, 30 by 60 revolutions per second. So that means 1 by 2 revolutions per second. The kinetic energy of the mass, kinetic energy in joules. Direct formula based question, students. Kinetic energy, you know very well, half mv square. But omega is given here, that means frequency given means from here angular frequency you can easily calculate, omega equal to 2 pi n. So linear velocity angular velocity relation, linear velocity directly not given, v equal to r omega, students. So v equal to r omega, substitute here, kinetic energy equal to half m into r square omega square. So omega equal to 2 pi n. Omega equal to 2 pi n 1 by 2 rotation revolutions per second. So this is 1 by 2, n equal to 1 by 2. Now this 2 is cancelled, omega equal to pi. Just omega equal to pi substitute here. So k equal to kinetic energy half, mass given 1 kg, yes, and radius is given 1 meter, 1. Omega is from here we calculated pi square. So that means kinetic energy equal to pi square by 2. Second option, students. Kinetic energy is pi square by 2. Normal kinetic energy is half mv square. Just v is directly not given, v equal to r omega. Omega related frequency given, students. Yes. I think this problem is clear, everyone. Next question. Again, vertical circular motion. The bob of pendulum at rest in a given horizontal velocity under root of 3 by 4 into gl. That means lowest point velocity given. Okay. So which of the statement correct based on above information? Listen, vertical circular motion. Lowest point velocity is given under root of 3 by 4 into GL. Please remember students, lowest point velocity greater than or equal to root 5 GL, then particle completes vertical circular motion. For example, velocity greater than root 2 GL. Please remember, greater than root 2 GL. Root 2 GL is nothing but it reaches horizontal position. Greater than root 2 GL is nothing but, so it is moving more than horizontal position. This bob is moving more than horizontal position greater than root 2 GL. Equal is nothing but V equal to root 2 GL means, so bob is at this position. Velocity, for example, less than root 2 GL, students. Less than 2 GL is nothing but this bob reaches this position only. Then after comes down is it is moving to and promotion about a fixed point, oscillating. Velocity less than root 2 GL, oscillating. Velocity greater than root 2 GL is nothing but after reaching this point, parabola path. Velocity greater than or equal to root 5 GL means particle revolving circular motion. Now here 3 by 4 into GL is nothing but, just you see students, it is less than root GL only. That means less than root 2 GL, this condition, less than root 2 GL. That means oscillating, students. First is given, bob will complete the vertical circle. No students, I told velocity must be greater than root 5 GL only. It is completing vertical circular motion greater than or equal, minimum condition equal. Bob will flow parabolic path. When it is means velocity is greater than root 5 GR. This second condition, second option is correct. The bob will oscillate in lower half of the circle. Yes, students. Velocity is less than root 2 GL. Less than root 2 GL is nothing but it is oscillating. Third option is correct here. So tension in the string, topmost point would be 0. So now here third option only correct, students. Clear. Next question. I think this problem is clear. Vertical circular motion concepts very important. Next, if the work done to stretch spring by X is W. So work done stretching is spring. You know formula, work done W equal to half kx square. Potential energy half kx square. Then the additional work done to stretch it further by 2x. Very important, students. Work done to stretch it further, very important. Further 2x is nothing but already x, further 2x is nothing but total 3x, students. 90% students here confusion. So what is the final work done is nothing but half k into, don't consider 2x, students, here. Already x, further 2x is nothing but 3x whole square. That means half k into 9x square W dash. So x to 2x, how much work done is required? That is asking question. What is additional work done is asking. So additional work done is nothing but, you know, final work done W dash minus W. Extra work done x to 3x. So that means 2x. What is the work done asking? So W dash is nothing but, yes, half k into 9x square minus W is half kx square. So these two terms is half kx square is common. Yes, 9 minus 1 is nothing but 8. So half kx square is nothing but W. In terms of W only given 8W. First option is correct, students. Please concentrate. These model questions important. And work done stretch it further. That point is very important. Read careful question, students. I think this problem everyone clear. Next, a body is moving along straight line starting from rest with constant power. Power constant, students, you know very well. Power P equal to force into velocity. Power P equal to mass into acceleration into velocity. Yes, the diagram displacement versus time graph is given. Relation displacement versus time from here please calculate, students. So power P equal to m into acceleration, you know very well, rate of change of velocity dv by dt into v. Yes. Just cross multiplication, you will get p into dt by m equal to v into dv. Yes, now integration apply both sides, you will get velocity time relation. Now you see here p by m constant only, integration dt is t, pt by m equal to v dv, you know very well, v square by 2. Yes students. So v square equal to this one, v equal to under root of 2 pt by m. This is expression for velocity time. But here graph displacement versus time given options. Now velocity, you know, velocity is nothing but rate of change of position only. So dx by dt equal to, from here, under root of 2p by m root t. One more time integration students. From here dx equal to under root of 2p by m integration root t into dt. Yes. So root t is nothing but t power 1 by 2. So integration dx is x equal to under root of 2p by m. Okay. So t power of 1 by 2 integration is t power of 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, by t power 1 by 2 plus 1 is again 3 by 2. Just remaining all constants, x t relation only. See here students, x is directly proportional to t power of 3 by 2. T power 3 by 2 is nothing but it is more than 1. So x is directly proportional to t straight line. X is directly proportional to t power of more than 1 is nothing but parabola, upward parabola. Very important students. X is directly proportional to t power of 3 by 2, it is greater than 1. Greater than 1 is nothing but upward parabola. Second option is correct. Increasing upward parabola. Yes students, very important. Graphs questions also compulsory. Any entrance exam, graphs related questions compulsory, 4 to 5 questions definitely they will ask students. Very important. Next one. So a vector given, b vector given, scalar component of b along the direction of a. So a vector given, b vector given. So now component of b along the direction of a, that means b component along the direction of a is nothing but, meaning it is b cos theta only. B cos theta asking what is b cos theta. You know very well, dot product a bar dot b bar equal to magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar, cosine angle cos theta. So from here b cos theta equal to, yes, a bar dot b bar by magnitude of a vector. From here only you know very well. Now a bar dot b bar, dot product students. 2i, there is no I component here, that means 0, plus 3j, here 2j, multiplication only, 3 into 2, 6, plus here 3k component, but there is no k component here, 0. 0 into 3 is nothing but 0 only, by magnitude of a under root of 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So that means 6 by root 13. So b cos theta equal to 6 by root 13, given fourth option students. So here only 6 by 13 given, 6 by root 13, fourth option is correct. Clear students? I think it's clear. Dot product related question. Next. Power P delivered to a particle changes with time. Power changes with respect to time given P equal to T square plus T plus 1. The change in kinetic energy. So power P equal to work done per unit time. So work done in the form of kinetic energy means rate of change of kinetic energy dk by dt. Normal work done in the form of kinetic energy here. Just cross multiplication, dk equal to p into dt, integration dk equal to integration p into dt, integration problem. So integration dk is nothing but kinetic energy, asking here t equal to 0 to 1, Integration p is nothing but t square plus t plus 1 into dt, limits from 0 to 1. Normal, students. T square integration is t cube by 3 plus t integration is t square by 2 plus 1 into dt integration is t, limits from 0 to 1. Just in place of t substitute 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So after simplification you will get here. So 6 plus 3 plus 2, 11 by 6, students. First option, 11 by 6 joules. First option given. Clear, students?